When Jesus sent out his disciples, he told them, "Heal the sick and say to them, 'The kingdom of God has come near to you.'" As modern-day believers, he gives some of us the same admonition and blesses us with aptitudes and interests that lead us to become healthcare professionals. Cedarville University's bachelor's degree in allied health will prepare you for graduate programs that will equip you to serve as a physical therapist, physician assistant, occupational therapist, or chiropractor. Graduate education for these allied health professions is arduous, and Cedarville's rigorous undergraduate program in allied health will prepare you to excel in your graduate education and career. The allied health curriculum rests on the strength of Cedarville's excellent science programs. You will be mentored and guided in your studies by experienced allied health professionals among the department faculty. Cedarville Allied Health graduates not only excel in their graduate programs, but do exceptionally well in their board exams to qualify them for licensure. For those who feel God's call on their lives to heal the sick, the Allied Health degree at Cedarville will provide a biblical foundation and rigorous instruction that will prepare you for the next steps in the healthcare industry.